Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, it's a monthly subscription. It's a clothing subscription. They give you your own stylist. It starts at, I think, they have different levels. I'm not sure exactly what they are anymore. They have different levels, and the highest level is the Baller program, which you can see my other unboxings. The one below that is Premium. The Baller Automatic always comes with shoes. It's also supposedly the best value. There's other tiers below it. There's also a link in the description that gets you $50 towards your extra stuff in your first box, whatever tier you get. This just came in the mail, mind you. I put my subscription on hold for 2 months. This came thanks to you, my viewers. One of you subscribed to this and got me free stuff, and you got $50 worth of free gear. So please check out the details of how to use the link and the code, and let's see what free stuff they sent me. And this is Ash, my husky puppy that is nosy. I just did another unboxing of their monthly dog subscription, so I don't think I will. I don't know. Hey baby, what do you think of this shirt?
I like it.
I actually have a shirt like this.
Yes.
Different color though.
With
So it's got
like
the-
that, but there's a stripe like white.
I have two similar to this actually.
Yeah, that's
It
nice.
is thin, so it's perfect for summer. Then it looks like it comes with underwear, but I will show that last. So it comes with the ThreadBeast sticker, the tag refer program and how to refer people, blah blah blah. And then you have a basic t-shirt, which is from, I don't know, it has a turtle on it. It is, what is that?
Layered.
Layered?
Weird, yeah.
Don't worry about
But what's funny is it's a large shirt and I'm a medium. But yeah, this will fit me. It looks like it's one of the smaller sizes, even though it's a large. Then the last thing that this comes with is a pair of PSD Wear Your Life underwear. Soft microfiber wash band, micro pouch, blah blah blah. Here you go. So it came with 3 free items. I'm not going to complain, they're free, so thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, check out my other unboxings for my other ThreadBeast. And like I said, use the code in the description. It gets you $50 towards your order, whatever subscription you get. Bye.